Hi, I'm Steven Solis. I'm from Monterey, California. I was recently a software engineering major, but decided to transfer into the TEM program. I feel as if it was a better fit for me. I transferred from Santa Barbara City College into ASU to finish up my bachelor's degree. One of my interests is reef keeping, or keeping of a saltwater aquarium, specifically in coral. As of right now, that is my current venture. I go through wholesalers, buy coral, and then I sell them to customers. This is a great way to increase my collection and my assets in my business. Additionally, I go to school and work part time. It takes a lot of work. I have to maintain all of my tanks, maintain my stock, make sure everything arrives alive, and meeting up with my customers on my free time. I try to make it work. It's a lot of fun, and I enjoy it personally. I'm currently making a website, so that takes a lot of my time as well. Having to take photos of my product, which is pretty difficult under the lighting I have. And then I have to upload pricing and all that information. My inventory is very fluid. I have to deal with deaths of corals, but also I can propagate a coral, or I can cut it up and turn a $100 piece into five $60 pieces and make some money that way. Some of my previous ventures involved a little bit of stock trading. I bought some Apple stock, some Google stock in the past. That worked out well. Additionally, I did some scripting software. That's what I intended to do. Software engineer. It was for two games. One would be an automated trading system, so it would be buying cards low and selling them high, thus resulting in some profit. And the other one would actually run your program for you while you were away collecting items, and those items could be later sold on eBay for some cash. So that worked out well. I was like about 12 to 14 when that happened, so it was pretty nice getting some cash being that young. I enjoyed it. An entrepreneur I always looked up to was Bill Gates. I've always been into computers growing up, and I'd always be messing around on the good old PC. But now I'm more of a Mac guy. Don't tell him that. But I don't know. I just liked how he had an idea, a product, and then marketed the product pretty aggressively, and then took over. I'm hoping to take from this class some tips on how to be an entrepreneur, how to further my skill set, how to broaden my horizon, learn new things, open up my mind to things I haven't thought about, how to help my business out. Would I'd greatly appreciate that. I'm excited to be working on that business model project I see coming up. I haven't read too much about it, and the final exam looks interesting as well. I really think finding layouts for business would really help me out personally, and then for future larger ventures. Because as of right now, my business venture is a small one, but it's something. So I hope to expand these skills into a greater career later on in life. I don't know what product, probably something to do with tech, maybe software. I'd be really interested in those things. Mechanical engineering, automation, medical engineering, medical devices, maybe even chemical engineering. Hopefully, get an MBA afterwards, further qualify me for another job. Well, I'm excited for the course. Thanks a lot.